Hey, what's up, my friends? Welcome back to Mon Chawin, Level Up Your Creative Workflow. As you saw at the start, today I'm going to show you how to literally change the color of anything using Photoshop. There are a bunch of ways to do this, but from my experience, this one's the easiest, the most flexible, and super beginner-friendly. So if you're into smart design tricks like this, hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. First up, open your image in Photoshop. Then duplicate the layer. Either drag it down to the new layer icon or just press Command plus J. Get used to those keyboard shortcuts. They'll seriously speed up your workflow. Now let's select the object we want to recolor. Head over to the Object Selection tool. It's the one that lets you isolate objects real quick. Click and drag around the area you want to change. I'm going with the hoodie in this example. Give it a second, and Photoshop will do the magic. You'll see the marching ants outline your selection. If it misses some parts or selects too much, hold Shift and drag again to add more. For tricky spots, switch to the Quick Selection tool. Hold Shift to add and Option or Alt to remove. Super handy. Now go down to Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Pick the new color you want. I'm choosing red to match my channel's CI. If the color spills over unwanted areas, don't worry. Grab the Brush tool and make sure you've selected the layer mask. Here's the quick trick. White reveals, black hides. Brush with white to show. Press X to switch to black and erase the extra parts, like around the hand. Easy fix. Next, change the blending mode to multiply. Looks better already. Double-click the color box and adjust until it feels right. Want a different shade? Now here's a smart move. Hold Command or Control on Windows and click on the layer mask. That brings the selection back. Then go to Adjustments and hit Levels. Or use the shortcut down below. Now you can adjust brightness and contrast right inside the masked area. Super helpful for getting the color just right. Quick tip. If you're switching to white and it still looks a little tinted, change the blending mode to color. That'll neutralize it into a gray, and you can use levels to brighten it. For black, stick with multiply, then adjust opacity and tweak levels until it blends perfectly. And that's it. Now you can easily change the color of your hoodie, or pretty much anything, like a total pro. No outfit change required. Thanks a ton for sticking around till the end. If you have any questions or need help, drop a comment below. I've got you. Catch you in the next video. Until then, stay creative and keep having fun with it.